Seatbelt? I ain't got no seatbelt. Brian, put your Safari window down so I can get better camera. That's what David said to do last time. Oh my God. Oh my God, Brian. Look at his tires, dude. That shit's working, dude. They're just gripping. Oh shit, Brian. You got it. You got it, Brian. This is crazy. Shit. You got it, Brian. You got it. You're straight creeping. Good shit. There's houses everywhere. Go, David, go, 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 go. And don't neither one of y'all have four-wheel drive? Damn. Damn secret passages.
Great driving song. That's
yeah, hell yeah, it was. If I drop my phone, I'll be super mega pissed. Ow! Fucking popped me in the face. Ow! Damn, Brian caught my arm. Alright, dude, here we go. This is it. This is for all the marbles, dude. This is all the marbles, dude. Oh shit, dude. This is gonna be a hoss, dude. This is not good. I hope I got that shit, dude. I hope I got that shit. Yeah, Brian! Yeah, Ryan! Woohoo! Yeah, Ryan! Yeah, nigga! Yeah, nigga! Yeah! What, nigga?
Dude,
what?
Close to dying, dude.
What, nigga?
Your tire is this close to going in that big. I was like, damn, David got that shit.
Yeah, nigga! Yeah! Yeah!